This is me, Frillian, and my channel name is Frillian Storytime, and today I'm gonna read Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems. Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems. Gerald! What do you want to do today? I want, yes? A what? A ball, a swim, a hat. Choo! Are you okay? I don't know. Choo! I cannot stop. Choo! Sneezing. Oh no! What if? Pigs make me. What if pigs make me sneeze? Choo! What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we can't be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Goodbye, Gerald. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze! And Piggie is a pig. Piggie is also my best friend. Choo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggie, great news. I have a cold. Good for you. The end. If you like the Pigs Make Me Sneeze book, please consider to like, share, and subscribe. I hope you have a nice day and read with your family and see me on the next Frillian reading time. Bye!